This is the console. So the route files is always available here. So which is the API routes file. So currently it's not available. Normally, if you are downloading the Laravel 11 version or the 10 version, you always have the route file available here. So let me check. So why it's not available here? So API, and now if I'm saying routes, and the routes file is not exist. So now you have to create the routes folder. So this is the web routes. So you have to create the file name api.php. So this is the API file. So now as you can see, you are saying you are fetching the routes and you are saying this is the get method. So now I'm saying route. Okay, so now I'm saying this is the PHP starting, and now I'm saying I have to use the route, and this is the route get method. So now as you can see, this is the get method, and route, I have to say that this is the controller and this is the method. The method is index and the controller is user controller. I'm saying class. So you have to attach also the controller here. Fine. So if you open the Postman, and this is the URL you have, if you are saying API and you are saying which type of API users. So I'm saying allow. So API users not found. So I'm saying this is the default controller, and now I'm saying another one. It's a get method. I'm saying API users. Hit the enter button. So it's saying 404 error. So why it's not working? In previous versions, you always have the API.php files available in the route directory. But in Laravel 12, we have to manually configure the things. So let's suppose if you are going to the app, first of all, you don't need to specify the API. The second thing, you have to go to the Bootstrap. So as you can see, this is the Laravel package. This is the application. This is the Bootstrap. If you go to the Bootstrap, you have the app.php file available here. So now as you can see, in the app.php file, you are registering the routes web. You are saying that the web routes always available here. So you have to just add this one. You are saying that for the APIs you are using, go to the routes and you are using this particular file since we have already created the files, but you are adding the API manually. So this is API manually. So that's why you don't need to use the API. Fine. So if you go to the URL and just refresh this one, it's saying route get not exist. Why? Because you have to also use the facade. So route, I'm saying use the facade, and now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, now it's working fine, but it's not giving you the result. Why? Because you have not inserted the results yet.